Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking these Gucci sunglasses model GG0998S in color code 005. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temple, you'll find the GG Gucci branding in gold, and the temples are pink. Same on both sides. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold, that is made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case. Although color and style may vary, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci dust bag, and a Gucci card of authenticity, as well as a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.